This series of videos we're going to cover the basics of HTML. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code, which you can download for free. The link to that is available in the description. You'll also need some kind of browser. I'll be using Firefox. What I want you to do is go to your File Explorer after installing Visual Studio Code and just create a directory for all this stuff. I'm going to call mine HTML. And then from here, you can say, well, I want to open a folder, and you go to wherever that folder is. And now everything we create will be underneath that folder. Before we get started, we need to add an extension. So click on this little thing for extensions and type in the word browser, and then you should see this open in browser TechER. So install that. So that gives you an easy way to run your code into the browser. And now click on this to go back to the HTML view. And close this out. So we're going to create a new file. So the landing page on any browser, one of the many that looks for is index.html. There's also index.htm, default.html, default.htm. The standard one is index.html, so we're going to do that. So a web page has these things called tags. They start with a less than sign, and then whatever the name of the tag is, and then a greater than sign. Many tags have what's called the closing tag, which has this little backslash before the name of the tags. And every web page typically starts with HTML, so that says it's an HTML file. But within there are two pieces. There is the head, and then there's the body. So the head would have things like title of the page that shows up in this tab over here, and metadata and other things like that. So we're just going to put in title for now, and they say my first web page. So in the body, we'll put down the text, which is the main body of the page that gets displayed. So we'll just put down, we created our first web page. Click on File and Save. And now we can use that plugin we just added to open in the default browser. And there it is. We created our first web page. So it's that simple to create a very simplistic web page. It is worth noting that HTML is technically not case sensitive. The HTML tags can be in all uppercase, but typically you won't see that because it looks like shouting. In upcoming videos, we'll introduce new concepts to slowly build more advanced web pages. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe.